Math 111 students, we have a short and sweet video for you where all I'm going to do is just go through these slides with you. And this is on finding the area of side angle side and side 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 triangles. Okay, all right, so let's do this thing. Here we are. All right, we're going to find the area of side angle side triangles. So these are triangles where you know two sides and the angle in between them, or when you know all three sides. And here is the simplest area of a triangle formula. The area K, we're not using A because we've been using A's for angles. So we're going to use K for area equals 1/2 the base times the height. 1/2 the base times the height or the altitude. That's one you've been doing since elementary school, probably. All right, how about the area of a side angle side triangle? All right, so you don't know the base. You might know the base, but you don't know the height. All right, well, you could get the height, but instead of us finding the height of the triangle, we're going to use these formulas where the area is 1/2 AB sine C. All right, so these are the two sides, A and B, but you don't know the angle A or the angle B, but you know the angle in between A and B, which will be the angle C. So 1/2 AB times the sine of C, 1/2 BC times the sine of A, 1/2 AC times the sine of B. All of them are the same. It's just 1/2 times the two sides and the sine of the angle. All right. The bottom line, 1/2 of the product of the two sides you know and the sine of the angle in between those two sides. So if we were going to do, we have side A equals 5, side B equals 3, and we know the angle in between them, 50 degrees. We'll just substitute that into our formula and we'll get 5.7 square units. Remember, area is units squared. All right, not terrible, not terrible at all. All right, how about the area of a side, side, side triangle? We only know the lengths of the three sides. We do not know an angle. And this is a different formula. K, the area, equals the square root of S, where S is 1/2 A plus B plus C. Those are the three sides. So half of the three sides added together is this value known as S. The area will be the square root of the S times the S minus one side times the S minus another side times the S minus a third side. All right, so let's do one. We know three sides. We don't know any angles, but we have a triangle and it has sides of 5, 6, and 9. Then we just substitute first to get our S. It's going to be 1/2 of 5 plus 6 plus 9. 5 plus 6 plus 9 is 20. 1/2 of 20 is 10. So our S value is 10. The area then is going to be the square root of 10 times 10 minus 5, which is 5, times 10 minus 6, which is 4, times 10 minus 9, which is 1. So the square root of 10 times 5, 50, times 4 is 200, square root of 200. You can simplify that as 10 root 2 square units if they want an exact answer, or you could put it in on your calculator and get an approximate answer. All right, so that's the finding the area of side, 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 and side angle side triangles. Again, not terrible. Keyword, stingray, stingray. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.